Nothing. This started with trouble going up and down, kept reversing, and so I kept turning up the strength more and more and more and more and more until I maxed it out, and then finally it just stopped going up and down at all. So I thought, hey, maybe it's too much resistance, so I greased everywhere. Everything, every bearing. I greased the little wheel at the end there. I greased the shoe thing, and I even tried disconnecting it completely, and it still doesn't go. So then I called my home warranty, and they came out and they tried to change the capacitor, and it still didn't work. And so they told me I need a new motor, and this thing is old as hell, so I decided to go get a new one. And I'm gonna try to bolt this right in place of it.